get it, okay?
What is a smoothie maker called?
Ice blender.
A blender, yeah.
I'll cook it.
Okay.
Blueberries are my favorite fruit.
They are? You like blueberries best?
Bear.
So we put in 1 cup of yogurt.
There's a baby blueberry on this.
We want to do liquids first and add the frozen thing last so that the motor can blend around.
Wait, how do you do that? That's hard. So can your fingers? And this is how you...
Yeah, lemon juice, put it in. Okay, and the salt is behind you. Grab a pinch of salt out of the bowl that's there, just a pinch, and put it in. Yeah. Okay, blend away. Are you excited for a smoothie? Yummy! Hey! Blueberry thief!
Good, yummy.
Is it good?
Yeah. I love it.
Can I have it?
Have a small taste.
A small taste? Okay. It is good.